Eloping today is far removed from old stereotypes. It offers couples a way to simplify their wedding while focusing on what truly matters, their commitment. Many choose to elope to skip the stress of traditional planning and quickly enter married life. Research the necessary legal documents for your marriage, as requirements vary by country. In some places, just a witness is needed instead of an officiant. If you prefer a unique ceremony location, hire an officiant who can also help with paperwork. Consider inviting close friends and family for a more intimate experience, or even eloping to a fun destination like Las Vegas, where licenses are easy to obtain. Keep in mind that eloping can still incur cost, so budget accordingly. Don't forget to celebrate afterward, whether through a small gathering, a dinner, or a honeymoon. Finally, wear something that makes you feel happy and authentic, as eloping is about celebrating your love in a way that feels right for you.